Right now, in the middle of your day, you have chosen something powerful. Instead of letting stress control you, instead of being pulled in every direction, you made a different choice. You chose to pause. You chose to breathe. You chose to reset. And that choice alone already shifts everything. Because in a world that constantly pushes you forward, stopping, even for a few minutes, is an act of strength. And by the end of this practice, you will notice the difference. Your body will feel lighter, your mind clearer, and your energy steady, ready to carry calm focus into the rest of your day. Stay with me until the end, because that's where we will seal this reset with affirmations. Simple, powerful phrases that will anchor concentration into your mind and body, making it easier to return to this state whenever distractions appear. These affirmations are like keys you can carry with you. Whenever you repeat them, your brain remembers how to focus, how to feel safe, how to return to clarity. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is the perfect moment. Subscribing is more than following a channel. It's committing to yourself, to your balance, to your best version. When you subscribe, you don't just get a single video. You get a structure, a journey, a path, a morning practice to start your day sharp and intentional. A midday reset like this one to restore balance and concentration. A night meditation to release anxiety and sleep in peace. Every video here is designed as a small training session for your brain, a gentle, consistent step toward your transformation. One video builds on the other. One day connects with the next, and with time you'll notice focus feels natural, clarity feels easy, calm feels automatic. So, if you haven't already, subscribe now and let's keep walking this journey together. With each notification, you'll have a gentle reminder. Take a moment for yourself. Return to calm. Reset your mind. And little by little, day by day, you'll create a life of clarity and focus. Now, take a deep breath in. Hold gently. And exhale slowly. Feel your shoulders begin to drop. Notice how even now, your body remembers what peace feels like. Stress doesn't own you. Rush doesn't define you. Right here, in this pause, you are free. Your best version doesn't drown in stress. Your best version doesn't run endlessly without direction. Your best version knows how to pause, how to breathe, how to return to focus. And that is exactly what you are practicing right now. Stay until the end, because the longer you remain, the deeper your brain learns. I can reset anytime I choose. You don't need hours. You don't need to wait until things are perfect. You just need this, a short pause, a conscious breath, a gentle return. This short break will not take your time away. It will give your time back to you with renewed energy, with sharp clarity, with calm concentration that carries you into the rest of your day. So, breathe again. Feel the shift already happening and prepare to reset fully. Now that you've created this space to pause, let's step into the reset itself. This is called a grounding practice, a way to use your 5 senses to anchor yourself in the present moment. Because focus doesn't happen in the past. It doesn't happen in the future. Focus only exists here, now, in the body, in the breath, in awareness. So let's begin. Take a slow breath in. Hold gently. Exhale. Feel your body softening, your mind opening, your attention sharpening. Now, open your eyes slowly. and notice. 5 things you can see. Look around you, not rushing. Notice the way light touches surfaces. Notice colors you hadn't paid attention to. Maybe the texture of a wall, the way an object reflects light, the contrast between shadows. Let your eyes wander gently, collecting these details. As you do, repeat silently inside, I am here, I am present. I can see clearly. Now bring your awareness to 4 things you can touch. Notice the contact of your feet against the floor. Feel the weight of your body against the chair. Touch your clothes, the fabric, the temperature, the texture. Maybe rub your fingertips together, sensing the ridges, the softness. Feel the surfaces around you, cool or warm, smooth or rough. With each touch, your body tells your mind, I am grounded. I am steady. I am safe. Shift now to 3 things you can hear. Close your eyes again if you like and listen. You may notice the rhythm of your breath. Perhaps distant voices, the hum of a machine, the rustle of leaves, birds outside. Don't judge the sounds, just let them arrive and fade. Each sound is a reminder. I am aware. I am listening. I am connected to this moment. Now, bring attention to 2 things you can smell. Take a slow breath in through the nose. Notice the air. Maybe it carries freshness, warmth, a hint of coffee, paper, food, or simply its own neutral presence. If no scent is obvious, imagine one that brings you peace. The smell of the ocean, of fresh rain, of flowers in bloom. Let this scent soothe you, reminding you, I can choose calm through awareness. Finally, notice one thing you can taste. Perhaps a trace of water, tea, coffee, or simply the natural taste in your mouth. Stay with it for a moment. This subtle detail connects you deeply to here and now, to your body, to your presence. Repeat silently, I am fully here. I am complete in this moment. Breathe again, slowly and fully. Inhale clarity. Exhale distraction. Notice how different you feel now compared to a few minutes ago. Your senses, often drowned in noise and rush, have just become your allies. They pulled you back into the present, where peace lives, where focus begins. And as you rest here, ask yourself, what would my best version do here and now? The answer is already inside. Your best version doesn't run in circles. Your best version doesn't drown in endless thoughts. Your best version pauses, feels, returns, and focuses. This is the gift of grounding. Whenever stress rises, whenever anxiety builds, you can return here. You can look, touch, listen, smell, taste. And in just a few breaths, you are back, anchored, present, aware. Stay with me until the end, because soon we will seal this practice with affirmations that will lock this clarity into your mind for the rest of the day. You've just completed a grounding practice, and notice how much lighter, clearer, more centered you already feel. Your senses brought you back to this moment. And now, we will seal this reset with affirmations, powerful truths that your brain will remember and return to throughout the rest of your day. Take a slow breath in. Hold it gently and exhale. With every breath, imagine the words flowing deeper into your mind, as if you are planting seeds that will grow stronger each time you repeat them. Repeat silently or out loud, allowing each phrase to become your truth. I am focused and present. I can reset anytime I need. I am calm, centered, and steady. My mind is clear and sharp. I choose concentration over distraction. Pause. Breathe again. Feel how each word anchors into your body. Your shoulders soften, your chest opens, your face relaxes. This is not effort, this is training. Gentle, natural training. Let's continue. I trust my ability to focus. I let go of stress and regain clarity. I carry calm through the rest of my day. I am safe. I am steady. I am present. My best version guides me right now. Stay with me until the end. Because the longer you repeat, the deeper your brain rewires. The more you listen, the easier it becomes for your mind to return here again and again. Now, let's deepen the reset with a short progressive relaxation. Bring awareness to your feet. Feel them soft, grounded. Now your legs, steady, heavy, supported. Your hips and lower back, loosening, free of tension. Your chest and breath, smooth, natural, effortless. Your shoulders, dropping down, leaving the burden behind. Your arms and hands, soft, open, relaxed. Your jaw and forehead, releasing tightness, calm and free. Your whole body is now balanced, grounded, and ready to move forward with ease. Take one more deep breath in. Inhale clarity. Exhale slowly. Release distractions. Feel how your mind has sharpened, how your energy has returned. And remember, this short break has not taken time away from you. It has given time back to you. You are now calmer, clearer, and more focused, ready to step into the rest of your day. And if you want resets like this available to you every day, make sure you're subscribed. Because subscribing is not just about following a channel. It's about making a commitment to yourself, to your clarity, to your focus, to your best version. When you subscribe, you don't just watch one video and move on. You gain a full structure, morning practices to begin your day with intention, midday resets to recover energy and concentration, night meditations to release anxiety and prepare for deep sleep. Every video is a piece of your transformation. Every session is a step closer to living with calm, focus, and balance. And subscribing makes it easy. You'll always know when new practices are available. You'll always have a guide waiting for you, and you'll always have a reminder that you are not alone in this journey. So, if you haven't already, subscribe now and join me in building a new reality. One day, one practice, one breath at a time. Take one final breath in. Inhale presence. Exhale peace. And when you're ready, open your eyes, carrying this calm concentration with you into the rest of your day.